So Dad got scooped some bees up from up there.
Up where?
Up there.
Okay.
They're all
Here's the
bunched
ladder.
up. And then he put some in there and he brought them down. And they're making wax now. And we're gonna leave them for the rest of the night. And then tomorrow we're gonna put them in the orchard by the church.
Okay. Excellent. So maybe we caught them. Maybe we didn't. Hopefully the queen is in there, huh?
I think so. Because I bet she wants to rest in there instead of flying all around.
That's true. Still a bunch flying around. Hopefully we can get them to make this their home. That's the update.